Hello, everyone. Welcome to the third video in the series of AI, HR AI automation solutions. And there's one thing that I missed in the previous video, which is an automatic notification that is sent as soon as we find good candidates. We can also automate a message to our HR team or to the hiring managers that we have find a good candidate, so they can maybe just go through the resume if they like, or go through the script that the AI did as well, and that's we can integrate it with any collaboration tool. In this case, we've done it with the Spaces, Google Spaces, the chat from Google, and but we can do it with WhatsApp if we want. We can do it with if you want with Teams, any other collaboration tool. So as you can see, this is the notification. It says, "Hi team, new resume by Mr. and then the name with X score has now been added to the qualified tracker list. Please have the AI caller call this candidate to do the initial phone screening interview. Thanks." Okay, now going back to the solution that we have for this video is the AI screening interview. And let's talk more about it now. Tailor questions. The AI, pretty much what this is going to do is call the good candidates. Now that we have scraped the phone number and everything, it's going to call them, and it's going to ask them a series of questions that that the HR staff usually do on a screening interviews, right? Phone interviews. It's a series of questions, and they report back to the managers with all those questions that the candidate answered, right? So they can evaluate them for next steps. If questions were okay, then we'll move forward with the next interview or final interview. That's up to you. But okay, you can do tailored questions with it. The AI is going to ask specific questions designed to assess the candidate's competence related to the role, enhance decisions quality by evaluating responses in real time. The AI provides valuable insights into each candidate's suitability. Objective assessment. This process ensures a fair and unbiased evaluation of all candidates, benefits and cost savings. Quality of hire. Increase the quality of hiring decisions by providing data-driven insights. Time savings as well, because the HR team doesn't have to conduct all these initial interviews anymore. And again, cost efficiency, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a test call. And by the way, those questions are going to be logged in here. We have predefined 3 questions, but let's go ahead and send those calls. So we'll show you how the calls and the logging process is going to work out. So I'm sending the call at this moment. Okay, call is here. Hello?
Hello, is this Cesar Anaya?
Yes, this is Cesar Anaya. Hi.
Hello, Cesar. My name is Emily, and I'm calling from HR Recruitment Agency. I'm reaching out regarding your application. Do you have a few minutes to spare for a short interview today?
Sure, of course.
Can you describe your previous experience in marketing roles?
Yeah, I have no previous experience in marketing roles whatsoever.
What tools or software do you use for campaign management and analytics?
Well, I use tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and SEMrush for campaign management and analytics.
What do you consider your key strengths in marketing? And how do you plan to apply them in this role?
Well, my key strengths are data analysis and strategic thinking. I will apply this by optimizing campaigns based on data insights and planning effective marketing strategies.
Now that we've discussed your background and qualifications, do you have any questions about the position or our company that I can help answer?
Yeah, just do you know what the pay is? What's the salary?
I'm not at liberty to disclose the salary information at this point, but I can assure you that the compensation package is competitive for the current market.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Cesar. Now that we've covered your qualifications and questions, I'd like to let you know what the next steps will be. I'll be sending your answers to our manager for review, and as soon as that's complete, I'll be in touch with you regarding next steps. Typically, this process takes around 2 to 3 business days.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your time today, Cesar.
Thank you, bye. Okay, as you can see, straight to the point, but actually, in fact, this was straightforward questions that I had the AI ask. but we can let him apply its own intelligence and go over the questions, over the answers that the candidate replies. He can dig more into it and ask more deep questions to understand, or maybe to dig deep on what the candidate qualifications really are. So it can go as deep as that. It depends on what you need, right? But we can train it at however you like. So as you can see, we have received the questions already. And I think once we get those questions, another notification is sent. Yeah, it's sent to the teams. Hey, hi team, we have successfully called the candidate Cesar Naya for the initial phone screening interview, and the candidate's answers have now been recorded on the second screening. Okay, please let the hiring manager know so he can evaluate the responses and let us if we should proceed with the hiring process for this candidate and call him again to schedule the on-site video meeting. Okay, now, as you can see, everything is automated. We receive the responses and it catches specifically what we needed. I'm gonna post here the questions in case you guys were wondering what the questions were. Here they are. You can pause and read them. But there we have answer to question one, to the second one, and the third one, then the summary, and then the whole transcript if you or your manager would like to review it. Now, once that's done, we'll go back to the sheet. Number one, we see that the phone interview was done at this time. And now, after the hiring manager, what you should be doing is just having the hiring manager or yourself, if it's approved, just put here that it passed. Yes, it passed. Or you can put whatever, doesn't matter. Um, and now the next step will be that the AI will come here, will review this cell, and if it's passed, it will start doing the schedule the next appointment. Okay, so those are the instructions that we have done for the next step to start being processed. So yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and move into the last step, which is scheduling the last interview once your hiring managers have approved or denied this candidate, right, for next final steps. Okay, thank you.